Digital Literacy Skill Building Exercises, File Management. Part 1, Creating Folders and Subfolders. Windows and Mac OS, although the basic functions are similar, the icons are different on both operating systems, OS, therefore we will explore how to navigate both. There is a third OS called Linux OS, however, since this is an open source OS, different versions have different looks and mechanisms, so we will focus only on Windows and Mac OS, as they are the most simple and most common. File Explorer. On Windows OS, all files and folders can be searched and found through the File Explorer. You can click the icon shown, which is by default on your taskbar, to open your computer's home, where you can locate all files. Once the home page is open, you can see important shortcuts as well as navigate all your folders and subfolders on the highlighted bar on the left. Finder. The equivalent to Windows File Explorer is the macOS Finder, and you can click the icon to open a Finder window. Similar to Windows, you can navigate through all your folders through the highlighted left bar on Finder. Folders. As you can see, the folder icon is very similar between Windows OS, left, and Mac OS, right. You can create a new folder by right-clicking your mouse, hover over New, and then click on Folder. You can do this directly on your desktop or inside an existing folder. You can also use this method to create different types of files, like a Word document or an Excel sheet. On Mac OS, you can create a new folder directly on your desktop by clicking on File and then select New Folder. Alternatively, you can pressing the keys Shift Command N simultaneously. Subfolders. On both Windows and Mac OS, you just need to double-click an existing folder to open it and then right-click an empty space within the folder for the new folder option to show up. Part 2, File Organization and Management. Moving files. On both operating systems, you can simply click and drag files and folders from one place to another. Alternatively, you can right-click and press Cut and then right-click and press Paste on the new location you wish your file to go, or select your file and press Ctrl-X or Command-X and then Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste the file on its new location. Copying files. You can right-click on a file, press Copy, and right-clicking again on a different area/folder. You can press Paste and your file will be copied. You can also click on a file once and press the keys Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy, and then Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste. Deleting files. Similarly, you can right-click a file and select Delete. You can click and drag it into the bin icon on your desktop, or you can click the file and press your Delete key. This concludes these digital literacy skill building exercises.